Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to reskin a locomotive in Train Sim 2. Once you've selected your route, click on Tools and then on Livery Designer. Once you're there, select the locomotive you'd like to reskin. In my case, I'm going to be reskinning the West Somerset Railway Class 47. Once you've chosen a good name, click Edit. The next step is to create a layer. Do this by clicking on Layer and then pressing Q. Once this has been done, select a shape. In my case, I'm using the square. In my opinion, this next step is the most important, the colour picker. Here is where your logo really starts to take shape. After you've chosen your colour, you can start manipulating the object. Change the size by using A and D and move it around using the arrow keys. Once you're happy with where your shape is, press E to confirm. As you can now see, I'm making the whole end of the cap yellow, as I'm trying to base this off the model that is currently on the bottom right of your screen. For the rest of the body, which will now be blue, make sure to continue using the same technique as we used for the yellow bits. If you'd like your colour to be the exact same as mine, the numbers you're looking for at the bottom are 192, 76, 47 and 225. And just as we did before, we're going to use D to make the shape bigger and the arrow keys to move it along the body. The process is then repeated, with the parts of colour being copied and pasted and then moved into place individually. This really facilitates the process of painting the loco. As you can now see, I'm starting to fill in the yellow ends on the other side of the locomotive. This is of course using the same method as before. Here's a quick look at how the loco is looking so far. Here's another time-saving technique. If both sides of the locomotive are identical, you might want to consider copy and pasting the layers from one side to the other. This will really save a lot of time. Finally, it's time to move on to the roof, which conveniently is the exact same colour as the body, so no other colour selection will be necessary. Again, the same technique will be used. And here we are, a finished Class 47. Make sure to save your design by clicking the Save button. Let's see how it looks in game. Apologies for the lack of sound here, it corrupted while I was recording. As you can see, Class 47 looks absolutely splendid, and it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. If you'd like to create your own custom liveries, I'd definitely recommend giving it a shot. Anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!